Okay, go ahead and read the letter. What's the letter say?
The Armas Rain, dear mother. Yeah, she was in Arizona already at my sister's.
In 85.
Yeah, at my sister's. Mina olen palju sellest ajast mitu näinud, kui sinun viimane nägid. Mina kõnnin küll, aga pole tasakaalu ja iga minut võin kukkuda ja teisele jalgu jääda. Mother is saying that I am here at my sister's and I'm walking down the street, but I don't have any more, falling over, balance. And I'm afraid I'm going to fall down and the car is going to run over me.
That's after, because she got hit in Olympia. Is that before?
That's in
when
Arizona.
Did she get hit in Olympia, though?
This was way back.
So this is in 85. This is before she got hit?
Well, I don't know.
I can't remember when she got hit in Olympia by the car.
Oh,
she's talking about it here, but I don't know if this is before or after.
No, this she never got hit here.
I know in Arizona she didn't. She got hit in Olympia.
Yeah, in Olympia.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to remember when she got hit in Olympia.
Yeah, but she was in the right.
No, I know.
She had a green light when she walked out, but the person turned on green light and ran over her.
Yeah.
Yeah, and she goes on talking about nothing really.
Lee, is she mentioning your sister?
My sister Lee is waiting for me someplace, and I hope to see you soon. And she saw in her dreams that she was coming home. Kui saaksin. Lee ütles, et sulle saame homme minu ühes ja tomorrow I'm going to get on a plane, I think, because she's gonna take me to the plane. Katsu siis jälle kirjuta, try to write again sometime. Bob and Lee couldn't minu vahel ja ka pidin selle she had to go to the doctor minema veel. See veel oli üks imelik that was something that's unusual, that she had to go to the doctor. Shame suur nagu oli Olympia linn. And the place is about same size as Olympia town where she's staying. Küll räägin. Prillid saan pärast kätte. She's getting new glasses. Your mother loves you very much, she says. Your mother, very. That was the last letter she wrote.